Hey guys, welcome back to Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine, and today we're cooking up some ackee and butter beans. This dish is vegan friendly, so quick and simple to make and great for when you want a tasty meat-free meal. So let's get into the video. So today we'll be using some Aromat seasoning, all-purpose, Maggie All purpose, black pepper, tomatoes, spring onion, chopped garlic, pimento seeds, tin of butter bean, tin of ackee, some bell peppers, some chopped onions, and cooking oil. So to begin, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil to my heated pot. Along with my vegetable seasonings. I'm gonna give this a stir, then cover and leave to steam for around 2 minutes. I am now back to my pot, and it's time to add in the butter beans, ackee, and our powdered seasonings. I'm just stirring all my ingredients together, and I'm going to leave this to cook on a low heat. So now I'm back after 5 minutes, and my ackee and butter beans are ready. And as I said earlier, this is a really quick and easy dish to make, and the flavors are all there. I will be pairing mine with some hard food and salad and a nice glass of sexy juice. Watch out for our video for our sexy juice, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and share if you care to.